From iconic to safe, from couture to copies. Whatever this is, it isn't Chanel. Karl built an empire of attitude, and now the legacy is fading into the ordinary. Elegance was the signature of Chanel. Now it's gone. Call it fashion if you want, but I call it a disaster. And Karl, would he be proud? What about Coco? Because what you're about to see is what happens when a legacy gets comfortable, when iconic becomes acceptable, when a house forgets how to lead. They used to call it luxury. Now it looks like Zara with a trust fund. Let's just say it straight. If we're going to compare today's Chanel with Karl's Chanel, the whole thing already feels unfair. But maybe that's the point. So let's take Spring-Summer 2023 Haute Couture and place it next to Spring-Summer 1992 Haute Couture. You would expect evolution, refinement, elevation, at least some sense of progress. Instead, the uncomfortable truth is that Chanel today is slipping into a visual language that looks dangerously close to Zara with a bigger budget. So let's start with Spring-Summer 1992 Haute Couture. And honestly, calling it iconic feels reductive. There aren't just a handful of key elements to highlight. The entire collection is a key element. Every look, every silhouette, every model walking that runway contributes to a system of codes that Karl understood better than anyone alive. The supermodels alone, the presence, the attitude, the gravity, you can feel it even through grainy 90s footage. Then you have pieces like that black chain dress, the kind of dress that becomes a reference point, not just for Chanel, but for fashion in general. The tweed jackets were sharp, alive, and unmistakably Chanel. Not safe, not lazy, not watered down. The headpieces, those dramatic cloud-like hats, felt surreal and ceremonial, but never gimmicky. The skirts. This is where Karl's mind really showed. Slits, zippers, shredded hems, that whole destroyed skirt moment lifted straight from his obsession with the pleasure of ruins. It wasn't destruction for shock value. It was a study in beauty surviving collapse. He was deconstructing the Chanel code from the inside, pushing it, twisting it, modernizing it, while still showing complete mastery over Coco's foundation. Couture actually looked like couture in 1992. The craftsmanship, the attitude, the silhouettes, everything. Spring-Summer 1992 Haute Couture was Chanel at its highest frequency. The supermodels, the chain-drenched black dress, the razor-sharp tweed, the cloud hats, the slit and shredded skirts, the silhouettes that actually meant something. It was couture with teeth, with personality, with intention. Everything felt alive, crafted, deliberate. This is what the house looked like when it knew exactly who it was. Want me to break down what makes a collection iconic, frame by frame? Subscribe to ICONELLE to uncover more legendary stories, and follow us on Instagram to witness every iconic moment. Now, Chanel Spring-Summer 2023 Haute Couture, designed by Virginie Viard. Everything is off. The set, papier-mâché animals, cardboard DIYs, elementary school project vibes. Nothing screams haute couture. Where is the elegance? The weight? The aura? Gone. The models? Low energy, faces blank, aura vaporized. Compare that to 1992. Naomi, Claudia, Linda walked like gods. Every step, every light, commanding. Here, robot energy. If these were actual robots, nobody would notice. the hats, the bows, the dogs printed on clothes. Really? You calling this haute couture? I'm trying to find even one genuine couture element, and there's nothing, not one. Seriously, what the hell is that bow? The clothes serve everything except couture, fast fashion vibes. Minimum, ready to wear. Maximum, still ready to wear. Shorts, mini skirts. Coco would hate it. Anything above the knee? Unthinkable. This is disrespect. The mother of the house would roll over. The theatrics, models crawling out of giant cardboard animals. A bride emerging from an elephant. Ridiculous, at best, high school rehearsal, not couture. Every single look, flat, low energy, nothing iconic. Chanel energy, gone. There's not a single iconic look here, 0 out of 10. 1992, 100 out of 10. Every look legendary, every step couture, every detail iconic. That is Chanel. That was Chanel. This is nothing. Chanel was iconic. Now, cardboard sets, bows, hollow energy. Actually, what made it iconic, it's gone. I uncover what makes fashion as a cultural movement iconic. If you felt this moment, subscribe to ICONELLE, share this video, and follow me on Instagram, where I upload daily updates on the latest iconic fashion moments.